Here is the problem of algebra. Okay, and say a b minus c times of q root of 1 minus a cube and plus c minus a times of q root of 1 minus b cube plus a minus b and q root of 1 minus c cube equal to 0. Then prove that 1 minus a cube into 1 minus b cube into 1 minus c cube equal to 1 minus abc whole cube. Okay, and now solution. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then we can write x cube, y cube and z cube equal to 3x, y, z. Okay, and now from 1, this is b minus c and q root of 1 minus a cube. So c minus a and q root of 1 minus b cube, a minus b and q root of 1 minus c cube equal to 0. Implies that, let us assume this is x, this is as a y, this is as a z, then implies that b minus c whole cube into 1 minus a cube. Actually q root are cancelled. Okay, this is q root. If we qing this, then we get here 1 minus a cube. Same as c minus a and whole cube, 1 minus b cube. Again a minus b whole cube and 1 minus c cube equal to 0. Implies that if we multiply by here 1, then this is c b minus c whole cube. Then we get here c minus a whole cube, and here is a minus b whole cube, and this is a cube into b minus c whole cube, and b cube c minus a whole cube, and c cube a minus b whole cube equal to 0. Again rewrite here b minus c cube, c minus a whole cube and a minus b whole cube, and this is here a into b minus c whole cube, b into c minus a and whole cube, c into a minus b, and this is whole cube equal to 0. Okay, now b minus c, c minus a and a minus b equal to 0. So implies that b minus c whole cube, c minus a whole cube and a minus b whole cube. This is 3 times of a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. This is 2. Again a into b minus c, b into c minus a and c into a minus b equal to 0. Implies that a cube into b minus c whole cube, b cube into c minus a whole cube and c cube into a minus b whole cube. So 3abc, a minus b, b minus c, and this is a c minus a. This is third equation. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, because this is equal to thrice ABC. Sorry, this is thrice ABC. B minus c, c minus a, and q root of 1 minus a cube, q root of 1 minus b cube, q root of 1 minus c cube. Okay, carry forward. Okay, same figure is that. Now here this is from A. From A, 2 and 3. So for this figure we can write here, this is 3 times of A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. And for this figure, okay, here is 2, we put here is 3. So this is 3 times of A, B, C, A minus B, B minus C and C minus N equal to, this is 3 times of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A, cubed of 1 minus AQ, cubed of 1 minus BQ, cubed of 1 minus CQ. Take account 3, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A and 1 minus AB, C. This is 3 times of A minus B, B minus C and C minus A, cubed of 1 minus AQ, cubed of 1 minus BQ and cubed of 1 minus CQ. From this, these two are cancelled. So this is 1 minus ABC, implies that is cubed of 1 minus AQ, cubed of 1 minus BQ and cubed of 1 minus CQ. Cubing both sides. Then this is 1 minus ABC whole cube and 1 minus AQ, 1 minus BQ and 1 minus CQ. This is proved. Okay, very interesting question.